Sorry! 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 Oh, sorry! Oh, sorry! I didn't realize that. I mean, well, okay, never mind. Seven fellows. Once there lived seven fellows, happy from. Sorry, it just. Fellows! 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 Think you can fool me, huh? All right, fellows. Let's go. Time to get out here now. Stop moving around. Quit wiggling, fellows. Come on. We don't want to keep everyone waiting for you. Would you just stand still, you? All right, fellows. Time to show your faces. Now. Finally, now we can begin. Once there were seven fellows, happy from morning to night. These seven fellows did everything together. One day, they decided to go fishing. They decided to go fishing. To go fishing. Yay, fishing! We're gonna go fishing! We can go fishing! We can go fishing! Late that afternoon, one of the fellows said, "We're hungry. Let's go home." Well, as they had been fishing for most of the afternoon, the other fellows, well, they readily agreed.
But before we go, we should count ourselves to see that we are all here.
So, the fellows, they all lined up, and the one fellow, he counted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6! Oh, we were 7! One of us must have drowned!
We're hungry, one fellow said. We should go home. So,
we cannot go home without all of us. I will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! Find the missing fellow at the river.
Time to go home.
We cannot go home until we find which one of us is lost. Oh, I hope it is not me who is lost.
Ow, ow.
Into the river. Into the river. Find the fellow. Find the fellow.
Stop! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Time to go home, fellows.
Huh.
Yay, it wasn't me. We are all here. We are all here. Yippee, yippee, yippee.
Puppets.